morning. It is morning as well. Oh, and it's Saturday, but this will go out on a Monday. Just got to open the door. Oh, quick one today. Just going to do a quick shed, finish the shed measuring, and I'm thinking deal with the spider, that. Come and have a look. At least get it tumbled off and whatever's there swept out. So yeah, I think we best tackle that first. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Glass in the embedded, so I need to get rid of that. Just move all this. That's rubbish. Ugh. Right, let's give it a sweep just so that. Okay, where's my hammer? Ooh, 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 hammer. Another thing to show you, the top has arrived, so I'm going to put these on the planes. Some pliers. Come close. Must admit I need my glasses on. Screwdriver. Scissors maybe. Actually. Oh my gosh. Where's those scissors? Come on. Oh yeah. Oi, right. Broom at the ready. I'll just put that rusty nail there because I don't want to cut myself with that. Right. Oh, look at that. Right, I'm going to put you down. This is ridiculous. Hold on, I'm gonna. Right, let's get this broom back on. Right. Oh God, there's just spider heaven inside this. Right. Going to come falling down, so be prepared for noise. Just a little one so far. Right, that's a start. You know what, where are my gloves? Oh, these will do. Perfect. Chuck this out. Got mine and nails. Not great to have a lying around really. There's a bigger one, but oh God. Ishk. I'm sorry, I'm not very good with spiders, unfortunately. Hey, that's gone. Oh God. Right, it's good progress though, because I really want this foil Thermawrap, carry it on along here. Yeah, right, come on, be brave. I don't mind little ones, it's just the big fat ones that I like. Oh, jeez, oh. Spider web heaven, flipping heck. Honestly, why do people store stuff like this? Still, once the wood's, I can brush the wood down, get rid of nails, I don't know, use it on the shed on the outside, just some of it's usable. Ooh. Right, well, that was a lot better than expected. Okay. Well, finally got that corner cleared. Where's that little brush? So next time when I come tomorrow, I'm going to empty the shed and really give it, really start work. I'm getting it all thermo-wrapped as much as that stuff I've got. Hopefully it should be enough. I don't know yet until I've obviously wrapped it. And I can carry on with the outside, those to fill up these gaps like that tomorrow as well. So I will come back tomorrow. Oh, that's interesting. Please, I have to run off today. I don't know if any of you have heard Too Good To Go, the app. I'm picking something up for the channel, the Budget Cooking UK channel. And well, that'll be for Wednesday. You have to manage your time, don't you? Having a brush like that is really good. Look at all that. So this shelf really has to come off. It's sort of in the way a little bit. And carry that on tomorrow. Ooh, should we go and see the boat? The millworm boat? I think it's be empty. Yeah, it looks empty. Oh, I don't know what's eating. Well, bird life for sure, some sort of bird life. Let's go fill that up and then I'm going to have to call it a day. But I do have some big thanks. Look at that though. Big improvement. Oh yeah, brilliant. Right, let's take the raw worm with us and fill it up. I've watered everything. Let's have another little wander about. I'm not sure if you can see, well, I think you can see everything, but it's a really lovely day weather-wise. Look how big these cauliflowers are getting compared to those little ones. I don't know why they haven't really grown like these have. Same, planted at the same time. check the sweet corn out. Oh, that's my reminder, because I have to pick up this Too Good To Go at a certain time. Yeah. Come on, let's check the mealworm, and then I've got to go. I hope the small birds are getting some. I don't know. Cucumber. Fantastic. It's still very small. I hope it grows up, if you know what I mean. Right, oh. That's better. Thanks for watching, everybody, and thank you especially to Mel and Suze, who gave a really big donation for the shed renovations. Honestly, oh, that's amazing. You did it via my PayPal email. Massive to do that, very generous, and I will set it aside because it will help pay for the ply or OSB, whichever's cheaper, to cover this shed. And I've just got to finish the measurements, but I mean that's what I'm planning on doing tomorrow. So with that in mind, thanks again Mel and Suze, hugely appreciated, and well, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care everybody, bye.